Here we go. We're going to get these thistles over here, and we're going to disintegrate them with the 0 tip on the pressure washer. So this is how it goes down. It's pretty simple. You just point move into your new spot and point it. I didn't even have to cut the whole entire thistle down in that process. What it was, did you turn it off? Okay, what it was is I took the top off. That was the most important part because it was just about to go to seed. So I caught it just a little bit before. Now we could easily take it all the way down. It's so fast. There's no string. That was just a few seconds. That's why this is so much more efficient than any other technique that you're ever going to use. And it will work for stinging nettles. It will work for blackberries this way. I'm glad you've seen the video. Have a great day.